In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to create a rare costume in Project Sekai. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. Now, there are various ways of acquiring rare costumes inside of Project Sekai, and in this video, I'm gonna go over them so you have a general idea on what you can do to acquire rare costumes. First of all, inside of the shopping mall, you have the basic costume shop. As you can see over here, you can collect materials and use them to make costumes. Select the specific character and you will be able to check out all of the available costumes for that character. So you can select one from here and choose between the variants. What you will notice is that for a lot of costumes or maybe a specific character, they might have variants. What you have to do in that case, if you want to acquire variants of a rare costume or a specific one, is you need to go into the characters tab, go into the character rank, and make sure you level up the master rank of your character. By leveling characters up to their maximum master rank, you will be able to get rewards, including all of the costume upgrades. With that out of the way, I want to show another method of acquiring rare costumes inside of Project Sekai. All you have to do is go over to the Gacha tab, and if you use your crystals on some of these banners, you might be able to get custom costumes. Simply select character details over here at the bottom and change to bonus details. Immediately, you are going to be able to see all of the costumes that are included in this banner and the variants of that costume. So you can select any banner that you wish, and as you can see, they are unlocked on the specific ranks for the mastery rank of the character. As long as you complete any of these methods I show you in this video, you are going to be able to acquire rare costumes. I hope I was able to help you on how to create a rare costume in Project Sekai. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.